Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. In today's lesson, I will show you how to find the surface area of a cone. Okay, let's get started. So from the given picture, so we have the radius, no, it stands for R, and then height as H, and then we have here S as slant height. In other reference, they use letter L, so it doesn't matter if you want to use S or L, no? And of course, dito meron tayo yung gagamitan na pi, no? So, that is approximately 3.1416. At bakit meron tayong pi dito? Kasi we have here the circle, no? We have the circular base. Kung makikita natin dito sa ating cone, yan yung circle dito, ito. So, this is a circular base, no? Okay. So, I want you to look at the net of a cone to better understand the surface area, and you can think of a net as an unfolded three-dimensional shape as it shows all the parts of a cone. So we have here the lateral area, and then of course the area of the base, no? So yung lateral area na tinatawag natin dito, that is pi rs. So to find the surface area of a cone, use the formula. The surface area is equal to the lateral area. Yun nga yung ating pi rs plus area of each base that serves as pi r square. So, yung ating circle doon sa cone, no? Okay. And for us to fully understand this concept, let's answer the following examples. Find the surface area of the following. Okay, so number 1. So, of course, use the formula. So, let me copy. Okay, so here, we need to plug in only the given values, no? Okay. So, the surface area is equal to pi, and then our r here is 8 feet, right? Okay. So, plug in lang natin yan, class. Plus yung ating s dito, which is the slant height. So, 20 feet. Added by pi. And then yung r natin dito, which is 8 feet. So, 8 feet. And do not forget the exponent. And after plugging all those values, the next thing to do ay isa-simplify natin yan. Okay? So, we have pi, and then 8 feet times 20 feet, that gives us, very good, 160 square feet. Okay? Plus, simplify natin yan, class. So, that is 8 times 8, 64. 64 square feet. Okay? And it's not yet done. Yung pi natin, which is equivalent to 3.1416. So, yun ang gagamitin natin, no? Okay, para mas maging accurate yung sagot natin. So, 3.1416, that's the value of our pi approximation yan, times 160 square feet. Plus, continue the process, 3.1416 times 64 square feet. Nasundan ba? Okay. And then, the next thing to do, ipag-multiply natin yan. 3.1416 times 160. So, meron tayong 502.66, no? Square feet. Added by, so we have 3.1416 times 64, which gives us 201.06 square feet. And for the last step, the surface area is equal to, pag pinag-add natin yan, so meron tayong 703. Round your answer to the nearest hundreds or 2 decimal places. 703.72 square feet. Okay? So, class, ganun lang kadali. And for number 2, kindly comment your answer. So, this is the end of our video. I hope na meron kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.